the best weather. But we're gonna go try get to this very famous landmark. Let's see if you recognize it. I'm already out of breath. I'm so unfit. I really doubt myself of doing this today, but it had to be done. It hasn't stopped raining for over a month now, and it's enough. I had enough. So instead of going somewhere far, we decided to go to a known place that is not too far, just in case it get a little bit difficult. We can just arrive quickly to the car and go. Yeah, so far so good. I feel very different to how I felt this morning. So Immense is walking. A man in his 50s, shorts of regular trainers, just humbled me so much. He just went from outside like, show me how fit I am. But I choose to take this as a challenge. I'm gonna moan about it. This is our starting point, and this is where we are. From here, I can't go worse. Right? Just stopped raining for a few seconds, and and the wind stopped, and it's just suddenly so peaceful. I don't know if the phone can catch the birds, but it's just, I can hear spring coming. That's beautiful. Let's go there. Compared to how I invested in this morning. What a difference. Look where I am. I know there is some cattle over there, so Manny stays on the list. He's fine with it. Um, we're not big fans of extended, how do you call it? The lip that get extended. But in this case, it's really great because Manny really wants to explore. There is not an immediate risk. If something happens, we can control him pretty quickly. If another dog comes, we will let him off because he was still very vulnerable and he would be a recipe for disaster. So we rather let him off the leash with the other dog and let him choose if he wants to run away or not. And then training, you know? If you did your homework, everything should be fine. Well, now that was a challenge. And I'm just in the middle of it. I'm going to put my phone away for this one.
They're beautiful sheep.
Those black sheep, I think in Asturian language that is shalda. I don't know how to say it in Spanish, and I definitely don't know how to say it in English. If you know, let me know. Well, if there was a lesson to be learned on a walk like this, is that we probably should have thought of bringing a spare pair of shoes for the car later. It's going to be a mess.
Right.
I just got a bit scared. I heard like a huge gust of wind coming. It was a plane. It was a plane. It's just the sound of a plane. We're entering town now. If you've recognized the area and you know any beautiful walk like this, and you want to recommend, please do. I don't know the area at all, so everything will be welcome.